Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A man who had 2 daughters gave one in marriage to a gardener and the other to a potter. After their weddings, the daughters departed with their husbands to their new homes, and the father was left alone. The following spring, the father went to visit the daughter who married the gardener. "How fares it with your daughter?" he asked. "Very well, indeed," she replied. "We have everything we want. I have but one wish, and that is that we have a heavy shower to water all our growing plants." Later the father visited the daughter who had married the potter. "And how is everything with your daughter?" he inquired. "There is not a thing we lack," said she. "My only hope is that this fine weather and hot sun may continue so that all our tails may be baked." "Alas," said the father, "if you must have fine weather and your sister must have rain, what am I to pray for myself?" The name of the story, The Father and His 2 Daughters. And the moral, you can't please everybody. It was a warm day in early spring. A boy walking by the bank of a river could not resist the temptation to remove his clothes and plunge in for the first swim of the year. But the water proved to be much colder and deeper than it had appeared from the shore. The boy was on the point of sinking when he caught sight of a wayfarer strolling along the shore. "Help! Help!" screamed the boy. "I am drowning! Save me!" Instead of plunging in at once to the lad's rescue, the traveler called out, "You foolish young man, don't you realize that this is not the season to go bathing? What would your mother say if she knew you were in the river at this time of the year? I have a good mind to report this matter to the authorities. Whatever were you thinking of?" "Oh, save me now, sir," interrupted the struggling boy, "and read me the lecture afterward." The name of the story, The Boy Bathing. The moral, there is a time and place for everything. Now, daily motivational quote. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.